Today we are talking about the best online business models and which ones actually make sense for beginners today. Many people want to start making money online, but they get confused because there are too many options. Some people say start dropshipping, others say affiliate marketing, and some recommend to digital products. The truth is, not every business model fits everyone. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to build smarter online income systems. If you want to explore any tools or platforms mentioned in this video, I have shared the helpful link in the description so you can check them easily. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description because by using that link any special offer or benefit that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. The first online business model we need to talk about is affiliate marketing. This one is the easiest ways to start because you don't need to create your own product. In affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products or software and earn a commission when someone buys through your links. For example, many creators promote the tools like website builders, AI softwares, or email marketing platforms. When viewers click the link and purchase, the creator earns money. One big advantage of affiliate marketing is low startup cost. You can start with a YouTube channel, blog, or even social media content. You also don't need customer support, inventory, or shipping. But here is the challenge. Affiliate marketing takes time. You need traffic, trust, and consistent content before you start seeing results. So, this business model is best for the people who are patient and willing to build an audience over time. Now, let's talk about the second business tool, which is selling digital products. This means creating products like ebooks, templates, online courses, or design assets and selling them online. The biggest advantage here is scalability. You create the product once and you can sell it again and again without extra production cost. For example, if you know the graphic design, you can sell Canva templates. If you know the marketing, you can create a small course. Or if you are good at organization, then you can sell the productivity template. Another good thing is profit margin. Since there is no physical inventory, most of the income becomes profit after platform fees. However, creating a digital product that takes effort. You need to solve a real problem and make sure the quality is useful enough that people want to buy it. Now, the third business model is freelancing and service based business. This one is the fastest ways to start making money online because you are selling a skill directly. You can offer services like video editing, graphic design, SEO, social media management, or website building. The reason many beginners start here is simple. You can start with the skills you already have and you can get paid much faster compared to the building a long-term audience. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork help the beginners to find clients, but many freelancers later move to getting clients directly through the content or networking. The challenge with freelancing is that your income depends on your time. If you stop working, income usually stops too. So many people later combine the freelancing with digital products or affiliate marketing to create more stable income. Now, here is something important. There is no perfect online business model. The best one depends on your skills, personality, and goals. Also, many successful online businesses combine multiple models together instead of relying on just one. Now, coming to the conclusion, the biggest mistake people make is waiting too long before starting. They keep researching instead of taking action. But the truth is, you learn the most after you begin. So, choose one model, keep things simple, and focus on consistency. You can always improve and expand later. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more simple and practical online business guides. Don't forget to check the link from description so any special benefits get applied automatically. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.